Presence of the Lord. So if nothing prevents you, and nothing prevents you from standing, we are in the presence of the Lord. If nothing prevents you from standing, halakasutaya, shekelelalabaros. I don't know about you, but I saw in a vision right now some women who are in need of a Shiloh experience at this altar. I saw some women kneeling here, and I don't know if it's one of you, because I don't know what you came with. I don't know the burden you carry, but the Lord said this altar right here. So I don't know who is coming to kneel before here, because God has a package right here for you. I'm looking for people to come here right now to kneel by the altar. I don't know who I'm speaking to, because what I'm seeing in the realms of the spirit, I don't know what somewhere, and I don't know what burden you came with, and I don't know what the trouble is. You came to Shiloh. We are looking for participators who know when God is moving. Trust you are believing God, is there no one like you? Akuame.